Okay, I need to pee. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday today. After I do a little bit of yoga here and have some breakfast, I'm gonna take a trip to Tillsonburg to do some thrifting and some walking and just have a nice me day. So let's get our day started. Okay, I'm on my way to Tilly and we'll see what shenanigans we get up to. Okay, I need to pee. We have a lot of what we call rail trails in our surrounding areas, which are old railroads that are now converted into hiking trails and paths for everybody to enjoy. Before I left for the day, I decided to wander into this thrift store that always has some very unique items and a lot of furniture to browse around and wander through. Ooh, so I got some goodies at this thrift store. I got a couple of sweaters and I managed to find a really good pair of Columbia winter boots. So yay! After Tillsonburg, I came home to relax for a little while and put on one of my favorite YouTube vloggers, Kate from Little Boho Cottage. Girl, you've inspired me to do my own vlog, so thank you. So we're headed into London this evening for a concert event, or rather a comedy sketch event, and we're going to get some dinner before the show. So let's go. London was where I was born and raised, and although I haven't lived there for many years, it still feels like home when I return. Today is just going to be a pretty lazy day. I'm going to just do some cleaning up around the house, maybe some organizing of my closet to donate some clothes, and yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow we're headed up to Wainfleet to do some hiking and some exploring, so I'll definitely be taking you guys along with me. But for now, I'm just going to sit in bed, have some tea, and read. So I am going to be hiring on a manicurist at the end of the month. So I need to rearrange the space in the salon to accommodate her and her clients. So let's start moving things around.
Plans changed and we never ended up going into Wainfleet. Instead, we went to Port Rowan to check out my favorite antique store. They have amazing setups and reasonable prices. Look at this knitted chicken. I love it.
That's so neat. What are these? I've never seen anything like it. Well, that's it, friends, for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for our next adventure. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.